Center-mounted kickstand. Painted black finish. 285 mm, for bikes 22 and under. For bikes without factory mounting plate, includes top plate and bolt. Made in the USA. The Greenfield KS2B is a center-mounted kickstand, featuring a painted black finish and is 285 mm long. The kickstand is constructed from aluminum and made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install on my vintage Trek mountain bike. Wasn't cool in my younger days to have a kickstand, but having a bike that doesn't fall when parked is more important. Makes a lot of sense now. Took all of 5 minutes to install and I was ready to go, sturdy and tough.